Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about different shapes and the fun objects that match them. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a circle. Can you say circle? Great job! A circle is round and has no corners. Look at this ball. It's a circle. Look at this clock. It's a circle too. Circles are everywhere. This is a square. Can you say square? Wonderful! A square has 4 equal sides. Look at this box. It's a square. Look at this window. It's a square too. Squares are everywhere. This is a triangle. Can you say triangle? Awesome. A triangle has 3 sides. Look at this slice of pizza. It's a triangle. Look at this traffic sign. It's a triangle too. This is a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Fantastic. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Look at this book. It's a rectangle. Look at this door. It's a rectangle too. Rectangles are everywhere. This is an oval. Can you say oval? Great. An oval looks like a stretched out circle. Look at this egg. It's an oval. Look at this balloon. It's an oval too. This is a star. Can you say star? Wonderful. A star has points that go outwards. Look at this starfish. It's a star. Look at this Christmas decoration. It's a star too. Where? This is a heart. Can you say heart? Lovely. A heart is the shape of love. Look at this Valentine's card. It's a heart. Look at this heart-shaped candy. It's a heart too. Hearts are everywhere.
If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Moral Magic 11:11.